Tucker, what do you think of the popcorn?
Good.
Oh, I hear it popping. Shake it. Shake it.
Tucker, let me do it now.
Jack, try it. Go. Oh, it's getting bigger. It's gonna blow. Oh no. What do you think, guys?
It's so cold. Guys, come on!
No, duck for cover. It's gonna blow.
Oh my God.
Keep going until it stops popping. It's not gonna blow.
Are you sure?
No. Okay, we now shall do the unveiling of the Jiffy Pop.
Can I do some?
Wait, and then you just, I don't know, that's how my dad did it. Watch your fingies. Apparently my dad had Teflon fingers, because, oh yeah, that's good. 7-year-old with a steak knife. Always good. Oh, I see popcorn.
What else is there? Chocolate?
Well, you never know, really, do you? Ta-da! Now, we must eat the popcorn. Okay, let's try it and see what it tastes like.
Hot. Oh my gosh, so good.
Is that the best popcorn you ever had? Maybe because it was so hard to make. No, Tucker, you cannot eat the whole thing.